10 American muscle cars that have appreciated in value.
Like a cat.
Mercury Cougar XR-7, like nobody else's car. Buckets, tachometer, automatic floor shift, V8, all standard. No car combines more luxury and sportiness than Cougar XR-7.
It's like nobody else's car.
Built better to give you more.
American cars predating the malaise era and oil crisis remain highly sought after, even after decades of industry innovation. For many enthusiasts, domestic models such as muscle cars produced in the 60s and early 70s are still irreplaceable due to their incredible power and good looks. Unsurprisingly, the market value for many of these classic cars has increased dramatically over the years. Several classic muscle cars have seen an increase in demand over the past year. So, if you're an enthusiast of any one of the following vehicles, check out our list of 10 classic American muscle cars that have recently skyrocketed in value. Number 1971 Dodge Charger IRT. Considered the most desirable muscle car by many enthusiasts and collectors, the Charger is powered by the remarkable 426 cubic inch Hemi V8 engine, offering up a monstrous 425 horsepower that thrills all who get behind the wheel. This uniqueness is amplified by being the only third-gen model to pack such an engine. Despite a recent value increase of only 4%, the Dodge Charger's expensive nature is noteworthy, with Concours condition models rising from $297,000 to $309,000, a $12,000 increase over 12 months. Should this steady climb in value continue, even the lowest condition vehicles will eventually surpass the worth of most items on our list. Number 9. 1964 Pontiac Star Chief VISTA. Equipped with a 389 cubic inch V8 engine, the 1964 Pontiac Star Chief VISTA offers potential buyers a respectable 235 horsepower at a very reasonable price. Considerably cheaper than most entries on our list, it is the most realistic purchase for those on a stricter budget. Notably, its strengths lie within better quality models, where Concours and excellent condition versions have seen a 5.1% increase in value. In contrast, fair condition models have faced a 4.4% decrease, dropping the price from an already low $4,500 by $200. Number 8.
Brand new for '85, Chevrolet rolls out the Thunder with a replica of the specially modified cars used in the All-CAMARO race, the International Race of Champions. It's the new IROC-Z.
1988 Chevrolet CAMARO IROC-Z. The 1988 Chevrolet CAMARO IROC-Z is a car that perfectly blends muscle power and sports car performance in one neatly wrapped package. Originally designed as a race car, this particular IROC-Z can reach a top speed of 130 mph, despite only offering 170 horsepower. While vehicles in excellent and Concours condition have seen a fair increase in value, averaging around 10%, those in good or fair condition have actually seen a drop of around 5% over the past year. This decrease will come as good news for buyers not worried about quality, but sellers will need to keep their vehicles in top form to avoid making a loss. Number 7.
Dearborn, Michigan proving grounds where some of the auto industry's most tightly guarded secrets are developed. New engineering features are given strenuous and continuous testing, and if they survive, they may be installed in market research cars and driven by typical auto owners to sample public opinion.
1965. Mercury Monterey Marauder. The 1965 Marauder boasts a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering 330 horsepower, making it the most powerful Mercury on our list. Its value has steadily increased by about 10% over the past year, with fair condition models seeing a peak rise of 10.8%. Positioned between the priciest and most affordable Mercury options, the Marauder offers a balanced choice for collectors. Low-quality models are priced around $10,000, while top-tier variants average $33,600. Number 6.
Endurance, performance, the winner's mark. Endurance, performance, the mark of the Mercury Comet. Proven at Daytona, acclaimed in the marketplace.
1964. Mercury Comet Caliente. The Caliente, a budget-friendly option for fans of Mercury Comet's sturdy design, features a 170 cubic inch V8 engine producing a modest 101 horsepower. Despite its humble power, it boasts significant advantages over Cyclone models, with prices remaining comfortably below $20,000 even for top-tier conditions. Owners can expect a consistent 10% increase in value across the board, making it a cost-effective alternative within the Mercury lineup. However, to ensure optimal resale value, diligent maintenance is key. Number 5. 1963 Shelby COBRA 260.
There's a lot of designing, testing, and trial runs behind every new innovation or new performance record. How do I know? My name's Carroll Shelby, and performance is my business.
The Shelby COBRA, though not a traditional muscle car, remains an American icon crafted by Carroll Shelby himself, boasting genuine muscle car credentials. Despite its 260 horsepower, overshadowed by its more potent 427 counterpart, this 260 cubic inch powerhouse exudes timeless charm and respectable power, weighing a mere 2,100 lbs. Its staggering price tag of $13,750,000, the highest ever recorded by Haggerty, reflects its enduring allure. The recent increases in value, with the lowest quality variant up by $51,000 and Concours variants soaring by $100,000, underscore its robust market presence, hinting at a promising future in the collector's realm. Number 4. 1964 Mercury Comet Cyclone. The 60s Cyclone, a standout among its peers, boasts a refined interior, enhanced exterior trim, and a robust 289 cubic inch V8 engine pumping out 271 HP, a pioneering marvel from Ford's high-performance lineage. Despite its vintage, Cyclones are witnessing a steady 11% surge in value, regardless of condition, with prices ranging from $30,000 for budget variants to over $90,000 for top-tier specimens. Number 3. 1969. Dodge Dart Swinger 340. The Dodge Dart Swinger, boasting a 340 cubic inch V8 engine, elevates the Dart series with its 275 horsepower, albeit falling short of its Hemi counterparts. Sporting a distinctive Charger-style grille and enhanced square headlights, it stands out from standard Dart models. With a 12.1% increase in value for most Dart variants in the last year, sellers can anticipate a favorable market regardless of their vehicle's condition. However, the pricing gap between top-tier and fair-condition models is evident, with the former fetching as much as $66,000, while the latter may only command a third of that price. Number 2. 1971 Ford Ranchero Squire. The Ranchero Squire, boasting a 351 cubic inch Cleveland V8 engine, sees a notable 20% surge in value for well-maintained models, garnering attention with its 300 horsepower, potentially outshining its standard 302 V8 counterpart. Even in fair condition, these vehicles remain accessible, with prices below $10,000 ideal for budget-conscious buyers. However, top-tier specimens command a premium, fetching prices ranging from $20,000 to $30,000, with the very best demanding upwards of $40,000. Number 1. 1973 Mercury Cougar XR-7. The Mercury XR-7, featuring Ford's 351 cubic inch Cleveland V8, has soared in price by nearly 30% in the past year, reaching a staggering $2,100 for lower quality examples, with top quality variants up by almost $8,000. Despite this sharp hike, the XR-7 remains an affordable choice for enthusiasts eyeing this iconic Mercury Cougar, at least for now. But with such rapid appreciation, waiting longer only means shelling out more cash for this coveted classic. Happy with today's list? Which car do you fancy most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of the muscle car masters in American history. Catch you in tomorrow's video.